Kinakaya at kakayanin pa.
May mag-order muna kami ng mga food na ipapamigay natin later. At may mga kasama tayo na ilang crew ng Conquest. So, order muna tayo ng food and then maghahanap tayo ng pagbibigyan natin. Thank you! Easy buying gifts, plotting schedule, going to coffee catch-ups, rushing your work syempre para matapos agad at makapagbakasyon na, and doing a lot of stuff for Christmas season. But I know a lot of people also who's in the season of brokenness, struggling in finances, having a hard time in work, having a relationship problem, and many more. So, whatever season you are in right now, one thing is for sure, there's a reason why you are in that season. God has a great plan for you and God loves you.
So, mamimigay tayo ng food. Christmas! Merry Christmas! Pila kayo maayos. Pila kayo maayos.
Uy, burger stick sa akin.
Wala na.
Thank you po.
Okay, welcome.
Kailangan talaga yung...
Namin pumila. Pero syempre...
Ayun, na-touch lang ako.
Ano po yung pinagpapasalamat nyo sa loob? Makabasa nyo po to pag magkaroon kayo ng time. And
By the way, I'm CM. Ano yung thankful kayo for this year?
5 minutes, pwede mo yung mag-share?
Tal na ako ng college. Yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-achieve.
I hope maging part siya ng life. Na parang problematic is her eyes and
Oh, thank you. So, I'm Rosa.
Looking forward for 2025.
Pray. Let's go!
mamimigay ng spaghetti. Mas kuya, ingat po kayo. God bless.
Magsamap kasi.
Protect them always, bless them.
Walang panang.
Lord, may you protect them and
Girls na